right now we're at Kumson Electric Race Team. Then this is our shop. So here we have Miss Savanah. She drives the 170 electric side-by-side that we built. And then over here we have Mr. Isaac. He drives freshly built Yamaha Raptor or Yamaha YFZ 450. And then we have Mr. Theo back here, and he drives a Yamaha Raptor 250 electric that we converted.
Hi, I'm David Dodge. Welcome to Green Energy Futures. We're in Ryley, Alberta to meet up with Sam Kumson and the Kumsons Electric Race Team, the only all-electric quad race team in Canada. Sam built these electric quads from the ground up, but that's not where our story begins.
Back in 2009, we were quadders, I guess, and we had an enclosed trailer and we needed to power some stuff in the enclosed trailer. And I reached out to some sources, figured out that I could get a battery, an inverter, and and the solar panel, and I was just kind of blown away. And yeah, it kind of flew off from there, right?
Sam's an electrician who became enthralled with solar. This evolved into a thriving off-grid solar business. Sam has even traveled to the wilds of northern Alberta to install a solar system on a cabin 2 hours north of Fort Chipewyan in the bush. Then Sam Kumson got a new idea. He already had his portable solar power station in his trailer, so why not take it one step further?
So we were big quadding family, and we had all sorts of little 90cc quads running around trying to get them going. I didn't like the fact that I always had to maintenance them. So I came up with the idea to take an electric RC car and put it into a quad frame, which meant bigger motors, bigger batteries, that kind of stuff. So sourced it out and came up with very different iterations of them, and yeah, finally decided to build myself a BW80. So this would be one of my first more finished builds. It would be the BW80, and then we went to quads once the kids grew up a little bit, and then Isaac came to race, came to ask if he could go racing, and that's what started Kumson's Electric Race Team.
Like watching the people like on YouTube, and I said I thought I could do it, so then I asked and he said yeah.
And so what was your first race like?
Yeah, it was really muddy. The Blue Ridge track was...
Like, how crazy is it driving these things?
Pretty crazy. I'd say so.
Do you get airtime?
Oh yeah.
So how long have you been racing?
4 years.
Do you win?
Yeah.
Very often?
Yeah.
These days, the three siblings on the Kumsons race team have half a dozen electric quads. I asked Sam, what's the appeal of electric?
Yeah, for us, it's super cool. Maintenance free. Plug them in, lube the chain, and let them go. For us, it makes it really easy for the kids to just get out and go. No noise, no nothing like that. Yeah, they're great fun. Maintenance, it's maintenance that kind of keeps me really happy about them.
So, how complicated are these things, and are they hard to build?
On my end, okay, there's a lot of technical stuff that you can get into it, but the basics of it is motor, battery, controller, wiring harness, and then adjusting your controls to what you want your controller to do.
So it's pretty straightforward.
Yeah, yeah, sure. I don't know which.
The two boys just got upgraded more powerful machines this year, which raises the question, aren't the electric machines unfairly powerful next to their gas counterparts on the race circuit?
We make it fair by trying to limit our machines within horsepower range of the equivalent gas that's in there. Our boys won't even reach the amounts that the given horsepower of the gas machine is running. and then it's really tuned down for, like, we can tune our throttle, we can tune our speed, we can tune a lot of things within that horsepower range, right? And I only can give him what he can hold on to. He's only 10, right? So I kind of got to be modest, and I'll get the naughty finger from mom if I give him too much power. So
how are the kids doing on the race circuit?
once we put all three of them on the podium, actually, it was actually a great day. So 3 electrics on the podium that day.
Indeed, the wall of the Kumson Race Team garage is covered with plaques celebrating wins. And with that, Isaac, Theo, and Savanah strapped in to show us what they can do in a field out behind their home in Ryley, Alberta. So, how does Mom, Colby Kumson, feel about all this?
Yeah, I'm at every race. I make sure everybody's clean and eats, and if anyone gets hurt, I kisses to the boo-boos. I don't know.
Soon the family will hit the road as the quad racing season opens in Medicine Hat. Sam charges the quads using his solar-covered trailer complete with lithium-ion batteries, and each machine has a spare battery, so the team never runs out of juice. See the team in action at GreenEnergyFutures.ca. For Green Energy Futures, I'm David Dodge.